Welcome guys. If you want to get this LED keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE edition, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, and in the search pool you have to type LED keyboard. And we have to get this application from the SAMSUNG Studio. So if you install this app, you can just simply open. And here, as you can see, we've got a lot of themes that we can set up. We got the whole LED, gradient, colors, wherever you want, you can find it right here. But let's change it, for example, for the RGB full. So tap to apply the theme. And that's how our theme looks right now. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.